This video will be a review on how to set up the Kreg Shelf Jig. So as with many Kreg products, this is extremely easy to use, and man, it can definitely speed up a project. So with this kit, unfortunately I've already used it. I've had this thing for a while, but thought I'd go ahead and throw a video out there for it. So with the kit comes this little pin right here. I'll show you what that's for in a second. And of course the drill bit. The drill bit that comes with it. It's got a little collar on it, so it'll only go in as far as it needs to go. It is adjustable. So to use this jig, you just simply, this is a piece of scrap wood I have here. You just simply hold it on like so, line it up, and it's got its gaps already made for you. You don't want to put it at the top or maybe a shelf or some measurement that would be equal on everything. And then simply you just hold it there. And you just simply hold it there and drill. You go through and do each hole. Okay, we'll drill the second hole, the last hole. Okay, and then if you need more holes, you just simply pull that out, place that into that hole, and then start the process over again, drilling the holes. And you just kind of just keep leapfrogging it until you get the desired number of holes created. Okay, so here's an example of what I've already created. And in this case, I started from right here and worked my way up. Drill the holes. Again, put the pin in there. Then just kind of leapfrog it on up. Like so. Then flip over. Did it on the other side. Of course, do it on all four sides, right? And did it for the entire cabinet. So anyway, this little jig, man, it's a huge time saver and pretty inexpensive. Look down there in the description for a link to the jig on Amazon. I greatly appreciate it if you use that link to purchase yours to help support this channel. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel, maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching. Okay, just lost my light.